Everybody, thank you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and decorate my coffee and my hot cocoa station today. I did add a few things already. Let me just tell you a little bit about them and where I got them. This little window wreath type thing, it already came pre-done. I just added the little red berries to bring the red up. This sign and this both came from Michael's. I went on ahead and wrapped around the garland on both that came from Michael's. I wrapped around the dowels just to save time, and both of the sets of lights came from Kohl's. This adorable sign came from Kirkland's for only $12.99, and this runner came from Kohl's, and I got it for $12. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take this garland that I got from Michael's, and I'm just going to set it up here very loosely. And I'm going to add a snowman that I've had for several years. I like to decorate a lot, so over the years, I just collect a few pieces here and there. This believe sign was new. I got it from Hobby Lobby. There wasn't much left though. And I'm sure in my other videos you have seen those little push pins up there. I like to use push pins when I'm decorating the coffee bar because they allow me to move and the signs wherever I want with ease. Let's see. What is it? Okay. Next, this is one that I got at Kohl's a few years ago. It just has a little on and off switch. Extra lights are always good. A little Santa hat from Target. And a pick from Michael's just to kind of fill in some bare spots. That should do it for the top shelf. The next shelf, I'm going to go ahead and add this scarf. It was $5 in the Target dollar spot, but I just thought it added some warmth. I really like the way it looks. That looks cute. Cookie jar from Home Goods. It already came with some cookies, but not very many. But the good thing is you can add and take away whatever. And next I'm just putting the hot cocoa and marshmallows in these little containers. They're little plastic containers, so that way if the kids grab them, I don't have to worry. Then I stuck some of those Bob's Mints in this little container. That little apothecary jar, opposed to these candy canes that are really minty. I like these because they're less flavorful. And any of the Target shoppers know these little boots came from Target in their dollar spot for $3. And these are salt and pepper shakers that I picked up at Kohl's. I just added cocoa powder and cinnamon to them. And this little tag, it's a to and from tag, but I just thought it would look cute right there. So that's where that's going to go. And I picked up these little spoons from Hobby Lobby. There was a pack of 3, very inexpensive. I think they were $1.50 for all 3. That's just to scoop the marshmallows and hot cocoa. And some more picks that I got from Michael's. You just put them right there just so they add a little something. Fill in the blank space. Alright, so I have to have a sign. I got this one from Hobby Lobby. And it was the last one, so I was in luck. And these candy canes, I got a pack of them, and these just were from the Dollar Tree. Just going to add a couple. Alright, focusing on the bottom shelf. Basically, for the last few holidays, this larger dowel, I hang mugs. But this time, the mugs just did not look right when I was planning out where I wanted to put stuff. So I just opted for these fake candy canes, and I thought they just did the trick. I thought they looked nice. And I have this sleigh right here that I just filled with K-cups, and then this little Santa hat pick. I thought he looked cute. And I got this from Kohl's. I just filled it with sugars and extra cream. There is the cream in the fridge, but just in case somebody wants this type of cream. And this little guy, I picked him up from the Goodwill for $1. And I just added some of these little festive napkins from Walmart. And in these jars, I added some crushed mint some toffee bits, and some mini chocolate chips. This is kind of cluttered because I want all these over here and I don't have any room from anywhere else. So I just thought, you know what, it's fine. This is the whole purpose of this little bar, is to be able to come over here and make your drink the way you want. So I have a good variety of sprinkles for the kids. And certainly this little, it's a hot chocolate kind of day. I thought that was so cute. Picked that up at Hobby Lobby. Just going to put him up here. And also the little stirrers. I picked these up at Walmart this year. I'm just going to put them in one of the cups so that way they're all set. And last but certainly not least, these hand towels. I picked these up from Kohl's, and I just like to drape them right over here. Mostly for decorational purposes, but that way if there is any type of mess, somebody can clean it up. And let's do a close-up look. And this is my coffee bar, guys. I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm going to go to the mountains and I'm going to take pictures of the kids and add them in these little frames. But that's not going to be until later over the weekend. And then, just if anybody is wondering, in this drawer, I have some holiday themed cups for people to use. And in the top drawer, I have some extra like marshmallows and little stir sticks and stuff like that. And in the next drawer, I have some tea just in case somebody can't have coffee or hot cocoa. And then I have just like little refills and extras. And then an extra cream. This one is the only one of my sisters and her husband drink, so I like to have that on hand. And in the bottom drawer, it's just little extra candy and then to-go cups. And that's it. So if you guys enjoyed my coffee bar hot cocoa station, please give me a thumbs up. And also, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks.